Are you wondering which note taking app is better? Today, we'll compare Apple Freeform and Notes. Both tools help you capture ideas, organize thoughts, and keep track of important information, but they have different features and uses. Let's dive in. Apple Freeform is a versatile app. It allows you to create visual boards. You can add text, images, and drawings all in one place. It's great for brainstorming and planning projects. You can move things around easily, making it fun to use. On the other hand, Apple Notes is more straightforward. It focuses on text based notes. You can create lists, add photos, and even record voice memos. It's perfect for jotting down quick ideas or making to do lists. Now, let's look at the differences. Freeform is more about visual organization. It's ideal for creative projects. Notes, however, is better for simple text notes and quick access. When it comes to features, Freeform shines with its flexibility. You can customize your boards with various elements. Notes offers basic formatting options but is very user friendly. In terms of pricing, both apps are free to use. However, Freeform may require a device with the latest software for all features. So, which one should you choose? If you love visual planning and creativity, go for Apple Freeform. If you prefer a simple, efficient way to take notes, Apple Notes is for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.